Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Children, today I brought some papers with me. See here, I have a pink color paper as well as yellow color paper with me. Okay, here what I am going to do, I am folding this one, see like this. See, folding like this. After folding this side, you have to put little bit pressure and fold it properly so that it cannot open it again. Okay na? See, ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು fold ಮಾಡಿ. Before it looks like this and now I folded it. See? So when you open this, what do you see children here? See? This one. What is this? A line has been formed, isn't it? See, if you fold again, it means I am taking this paper, pink paper, I am folding it into 3 parts. You can fold it 4 parts also, however you want. See, here now I folded this one 2 part and again I am going to fold it one more time. See, like this. See, now it has become very small, isn't it? So when you open these kids, what happens? See here. Wow, look. Can you find lines over here? Isn't it? So how are these lines, children? See, compared to this one as well as compared to the previous one, like this. So how are the straight lines here? Here, how are the lines? Yes, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಲೈನ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿಗಾದರೂ ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು? See? No. So it is what we call this one as a straight line. For example, children, here I am showing you, I have here a geometrical box. You know this one, right? See, the line over here, how it is? Exactly, it looks, it is called straight line. Okay, then when you comes over here, again it is also a straight line. Okay children, ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ wire in my hand. Okay, if I stretch this one very hardly, then what you can see? Yes, it is a straight line, isn't it? If you leave it loose, then how it looks? See, like this curved one. This is the straight line and this is curved one. Got the difference children? ಇದು ಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಕರ್ವ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು? ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ more examples for you. See, a textbook or whatever the book, look that and see how it is. It is having straight line as well as curved, isn't it? So next comes here a wooden piece. How it is children? Again it is having straight lines. Straight line, again if you go like this, straight line. If you go like this, straight, again if you go like this, straight line. So here how many straight lines are there in the wooden piece? 4, isn't it? So next comes here your pencil box, isn't it? It is quite familiar for you, right? So ee pencil box alli how many straight lines you can find in this pic? See, this one, this like horizontal we can say. Okay, this one, the standing one, is called vertical. The sleeping line, you know already this, right? Sleeping line and standing line, but those are modified into children. Sleeping line we can say this one as horizontal line, and this standing line is named as vertical line. Okay, have you understood this one? And next, what we are going to do, here we have some of the wooden pieces. What we are going now, we are keeping them one upon another. ಒಂದರ ಮೇಲೊಂದು ನಾವು ಇಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Different shapes. Okay, so here I have used a wooden piece bit bigger, and then I have used smaller. Then the same sizes I have kept 4 to 5. Then later on I placed another shape, is called which one, children? It's a triangle, isn't it? So these shapes I have kept, and how it looks, see, if you noticed, ನೀವು ಅದರ ಎಡ್ಜಿಗೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? It looks like a straight line, isn't it? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಈ ಥರ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಥರ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? No, there is only a standing line without any curve, without any dent. So that is called a straight line. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ? So now how to draw it? See, take any page. Okay, it might be a white color page, whatever. So take like this page, and here what you have to do, mark the point here and here. Okay, and then using a ruler draw a straight line. As here I am showing you on the screen, like that you have to draw. So here what you got, children, you can name those points as A and B. Now AB is your straight line. Have you got this? You can name it anything, any number, AB, or you can take PQ, or you can take MN, whatever the numbers. Okay, so here children I am showing you some of the alphabet letters. You can say first letters means A, B, C, D. Bold letters you know already. So some of them I am showing you on the screen. The first one is which letter, children? Yaudadu? L, isn't it? So here this L is having how many straight lines? Can you find out? See? Yes, it is having 2 straight lines. Very good. So next here we have the letter N. In this how many straight lines you have, children? Count them. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you have 3 straight lines. And next comes here which letter? W. In that how many straight lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 straight lines are there. And next we'll go to the numbers, and here we have taken the number 5. In this 5, how many straight lines are there, children? 1, 2. And what about the other one? Is it a straight line? Which looking C, ulta C you can say? Is it a straight line? No, it's a curved one, as I told you by taking a wire. I shown you, right? So like that it is a curved one. So here I am showing you, I am asking you only the straight lines. So in number 5 you have only 2 straight lines. And next we'll move on to another example. In that we have, see, in this figure how many straight lines are there? 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So these are the straight lines. The other one you can say it named as 4. It looks straight line. Does it? No, it is not a straight line. Then what it is, children? As you know, we have discussed it before, right? So this is called a curved line. Okay. So next comes here a face of a joker you can say, or you can take it as a clown. So here how many straight lines are there? You can count his nose, mouth, ear, or whatever his topi. All these things you have to consider, okay? So when we will move on to first on his cap. Does his cap is having straight lines? Yes. How many straight lines? 2. Next come to the face. In face, how are the eyes? Round. So leave it. Then come to the nose. How many straight lines it has? It looks a small triangle, isn't it? So how many lines are there in a triangle? 3. Already in a cap he is having 2 and then he has 3. Next comes his mouth is a straight line, then comes curve. So how many children totally? ಟೋಪಿದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 2 ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ದೆನ್ ನೋಸದ್ದು 3 ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ 5. ದೆನ್ ಮೌತದ್ದು 1 ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 6. ಈಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್. ನೋಡಿ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್, ಸಿ 1 2 3 means here 3, here 3, 6. Already you have 6, totally 12 straight lines are there in this figure. So next we'll move on to another figure. In that, see the outer one ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಅಗೇನ್ 4. 4 + 4 gives you 8. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಎಷ್ಟಿವೆ? They are 4. So totally children here also you have 12 straight lines, and there is a center in between. You have curved surface also. You can find circles in between. So now you got that how to identify the straight lines, isn't it? So all these things you came to know children today, and you have enjoyed with me, I think, isn't it? So thank you for watching.